I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
Like my company is off the Canadian dollar. Like all of our fiat is mostly USD and the rest is Bitcoin. We accept all three as payment: Canadian dollars, US dollars, Bitcoin. Obviously, we encourage people to pay in Bitcoin. We'd prefer it. But we're always managing the treasury, and our general policy right now is minimize CAD. Only have enough for payroll and like the critical paying payables and stuff. And I'll always hold like a decent balance of fiat because I have to run a business. I can't take pure Bitcoin volatility. It's sort of difficult. Canadian dollar is such a shit coin.
Yeah.
Like, why hold it? Like, it's just
we got rainbow money over here, man.
Yeah, it's the Canadian moose shekel, as people like to call it.
The Canadian dollar will not be among the ones that survives.
Nobody accepts Canadian dollars. So having Canadian dollars for trade is worthless.
Yeah.
I have to convert it and eat a conversion cost. Some of my clients actually, because we're in Bitcoin mining, do accept Bitcoin. Even Bitcoin is more useful to me for international trading partners than Canadian dollars. It's unbelievable, right? But I mean, Bitcoin obviously is amazing for international trade because, I mean, as long as the other counterparty accepts it, we all know how easy it is to use compared to fiat.
Yeah.
It's still hard to use it, and a lot of people don't accept it, especially a lot of Chinese suppliers that were accepting it, weren't allowed to. But they'll accept USD. So we just hodl USD, and we're a Canadian company. We're slowly hyperinflating, I guess you would say, but we're not at the level of like maybe Argentina is presently.
Yeah, I mean, Steve, you're so right. And moving away from the Canadian dollar is natural from anybody dealing in any sort of international market. Like, why would you use the Canadian dollar? It's completely useless.
Such a garbage shit coin. It's like a woke shit coin at this point. Like, yeah, it's just crap. And it's like the worst of all the fiats. Like, if you touch the Canadian dollar bill, like you can't even wipe your ass with it. You can wipe your ass with an American dollar bill.
The $100 bills still smell like maple syrup, though.
I mean,
I didn't know that.
Try it. Scratch and sniff, dude.
I actually believe you. Are you serious?
It's legit. Scratch and sniff $100 Canadian bill. It smells like maple syrup.
Imagine if they had taken the resources that went into making maple smelling $100 bills and actually just stopped fucking printing money. Incredible use of resources.